1, 2, 3, 4. Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. In this short guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. This is the perfect guitar lesson for kids who are learning to play power chords. But before we dive in, I want to give a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me to share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of the community, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. And now, Eye of the Tiger. So, it's going to start with power chords. So you're going to use either the 2-finger version power chord. This is a C power chord. I have my pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and my ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string. That's called a movable power chord. It's really cool because you can move it anywhere on the guitar and it sounds great. So, Eye of the Tiger starts with that. Then we're going to move it back 2 frets, so you can hit it twice. By the way, there's a second version of this chord, and the way that I played it is you can either do the easy power chord version, or you can add your pinky here directly below your ring finger. That's going to be on the 5th fret of the G string, and this is a 3-note power chord. You're actually playing the root, the 5th, and the root again, so it's just a root, 5th, root. Other words, in this case, C, G, C again. It just sounds a little bit more full and a little bit bigger. It's harder to play, so you make the choice that's right for you. Anyways, I'm going to be using the full version here. And so it goes C, C again. Then I take the whole shape and I drop it down 2 frets. 1, 2, and I play B flat. So far we have. Then I go back up to C. So that whole riff, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeats, right? So it repeats 2 times, and the 3rd time it does something new. And the 3rd time it goes. So what I did there is I played the C power chord once. I went up to the G power chord, played that once. And I went up 1 fret to G sharp, otherwise known as A flat. So let's put that all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to play, that's like the verse. If you want to play the chorus, there's some really cool power chords in the chorus as well. The chorus sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, it's time for your free bonus, a free mini guitar course for kids. In this mini guitar course, I will teach your kids the fundamentals that they need to get started playing guitar the right way. It's 100% free. Just click the link in the description below. And don't forget, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!